Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is going to be a makeup review video, and in today's video I'm going to review this beautiful palette Pretty All Set from the company You Can Be. And guys, I have just started my YouTube channel and I wanted to buy a perfect eyeshadow palette for myself. सो आई स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग ऑन इंटरनेट. यूट्यूब पे सर्च किया मैंने बहुत सारा, इंस्टाग्राम पे सर्च किया, ऑल्सो अमेज़ॉन पे भी सर्च किया. आई थिंक मैंने जितने भी रिव्यूज़ अवेलेबल है ऑन यूट्यूब ऑन आई शेडो पैलेट मैंने देख डाले होंगे. सो आफ्टर सर्चिंग सो मच आई गॉट दिस पैलेट. वाई दिस पैलेट ये मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताने वाली हूँ. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि इसमें कौन कौन से कलर्स अवेलेबल है, न्यूट्रल्स अवेलेबल है या कलरफुल्स अवेलेबल है, इनकी जो कलर्स अवेलेबल है इनकी पिगमेंटेशन कितनी है और आपको कितने का पड़ेगा, आपको कहाँ से बाय करना चाहिए, आपको अमेज़ॉन से बाय करना चाहिए या फिर किसी इंटरनेशनल साइट से बाय करना चाहिए. सो या इफ़ यू गाइज आर इंटरेस्टेड देन प्लीज़ कीप ऑन वॉचिंग. And also if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, without wasting time, let's get into the video. So guys, अगर आप ये पैलेट ऑर्डर करते हैं किसी भी इंटरनेशनल वेबसाइट से तो आपको ये 4000 से 5000 के बीच में पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली वो उसमें शिपिंग चार्जेस इंक्लूड करेंगे. एंड अगर आप इसे अमेज़ॉन से ऑर्डर करते हैं तो ये आपको अराउंड 2500 का पड़ेगा. ऑल्सो मैंने बहुत सारे इंस्टाग्राम पेजेस पे भी पता किया कि ये कितने का आता है या मुझे कितने का पड़ेगा. तो डिलीवरिंग चार्जेस वगैरह सब मिला के मुझे ये 2000 से 3000 के अराउंड पड़ रहा था किसी भी इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर से, मेकअप एंड कॉस्मेटिक स्टोर से. सो फाइनली आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू बॉट दिस पैलेट फ्रॉम कफ्स एंड लैशेस. सो कफ्स एंड लैशेस इज़ अ इंडियन वेबसाइट जहाँ पे आपको मेकअप एंड कॉस्मेटिक अफोर्डेबल रेट पे मिल जाते हैं. जहाँ तक मुझे याद है कि डिलीवरी चार्जेस मिला के मुझे वो पड़ा था अराउंड, मुझे ये पैलेट पड़ा था अराउंड 1939 विच वॉज आई थिंक अफोर्डेबल. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं मेकअप करने में तो ऑब्वियसली आपको इतना तो स्पेंड करना पड़ेगा इतने अच्छे पैलेट के लिए.
So guys, this palette came to me with so many layers of bubble wrap, which is obviously a good thing because you don't want your palette to get damaged, right? And after taking off all the bubble wrap from the palette, you again get a packet of bubble wrap like this. Inside of it you get a pink case. The outer cover is holographic pink and it's so shiny, you guys, and it says Pretty All Set by the company You Can Be. And when you remove the pink cover, you'll get a sparkly silver cover inside it, and it is nice slim fit compact case. The silver packaging is very simple yet so stylish and classy. It has these small stars on it which is making it look more classy, you guys. So overall I just love the packaging of the Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette, and it is so stylish, shiny, and the color combination is just amazing. This is the first time that I have ordered something from You Can Be, and that's why I'm so excited to use this palette. Also, when you hold this palette in your hand, it will instantly make you happy and smile, because sometimes happiness is just buying a good eyeshadow palette. Just kidding, you guys. Okay, so guys, I'm going to open this palette and show you guys what's inside it. So first of all, it is a foldable cover, so obviously it is travel friendly and safe to carry anywhere. And when you open this palette, you will feel the magnet on the edge of this eyeshadow palette, which makes it more safer. And look at this gorgeous palette, you guys. This is just so beautiful, and it also has this plastic cover going on its top for its safety. And when you open the other side, you'll get another plastic for the safety of this side. And oh my god, can you see the colors you're getting here? This is really feels like dream. It has every color a girl can wish in her eyeshadow palette. It has everything you need for creating beautiful eye makeup looks. This eyeshadow palette is offering you 86 shade, and it is a combination of 3 palettes. It is also a perfect gift for girls, ladies, women on her birthdays, Valentine's Days, Christmas Day, Mother's Day and whatsoever. These 86 shades has matte, warm, neutral, neon, highlighter, blush, contour and 3 glitters as well. And that is why it has everything you need for doing a perfect eyeshadow look. These shades are highly pigmented and offers you a maximum color payoff. So as I told you that this super big eyeshadow palette is a combination of 3 palette. It is offering you 86 beautiful color with 3 compartments, warming up, light up and color splashes. On the left side of the palette that is warming up, you will get 30 neutral shade that you can use for your daily basic look, as well as you can create everyday go to neutral eye makeup and soft neutral smoky look for your office. And on the right side of the palette, that is color splashes, you will get 30 colorful shades that you can use for creating bright colorful eye makeup looks. It has all the neons and vivid colors inside it. These kind of shades are so in trend right now, and you can use these colorful shades to brighten up your eyelids and for creating so many different kind of bold and pop-up looks for your Instagram, concert, or for casually meeting with your friends. Middle section is light up, in which you are getting 2 shimmer highlighters to illuminate your cheekbones and cupid bow, 2 natural blush, 2 contour shades. Along with that, you are getting 3 pressed gel glitters, some shimmery and metallic shades as well. Also, if you are a person who likes creating dark smoky eye look, then this palette is just for you guys. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you some swatches of all the compartments. So I'm starting off with this warming section. So first I'm going to show all the neutrals, nudes, brown, warm and matte colors we have in here. So yeah, these are the shade, and you guys can see these are really pigmented, blendable, smooth on my skin, and the texture of these eyeshadow is also very smooth. Now moving on to the color splashes section. It has red, greens, blue, yellow, orange, purple. So basically it has every color of a rainbow. So I'm starting off with different shades of green here. Also guys, I don't want to waste so much of product on my hands. That's why I'm swatching very little on my hands. You can use as much as you want on your eyelid, of course. Along with the green, I'm going to swatch few shades of blue as well. I really like this shimmery shades of this green and blue. All of the colors blends very smoothly, into my skin, and also the pigmentation of the colors are pretty good. So yeah, these are the shades. Now moving on to our last compartment, that is light up. I'm first going to swatch the 2 highlighters of this compartment. One is in the silver color and the other one is in gold kind of color. Both the highlighters are super duper bomb, you guys. You guys can see with just one layer of highlighters on my hands are dazzling and shining a lot. You can use these highlighter as a shimmery eyeshadow as well on your lids. Also, both the colors of blush on this palette look so natural and fresh on the skin. It is blendable, pigmented and so soft on the skin. The texture is also very nice and can work for both light and dark skin tone as well. Contour shades are also very nice. One is in the light shade, which will work better for light skin tone girls, and other one is in dark shade, which will work better for the girls who are in dark tones. And at last I'm going to swatch some black, green, shimmery and metallic shades available in this section, and also the 3 pressed gel glitters on my hands. And I think these smoky shades are so good and so blendable. Shimmery shades and metallic shades are also very blendable into my skin. And now I'm going to swatch the 3 pressed gel glitters on my hands also. One thing that I would like to mention here, that always use glitter glue before applying glitter onto your eyes, otherwise the glitter will fall all over your face. You can see that here I haven't applied the glue on my hands, and that's why the glitter is not sticking onto my hands.
That's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed today's video. And guys, at last I just want to say that if you are a beginner or a professional makeup artist or just a person who wants to buy a perfect eyeshadow palette, then I will highly recommend this palette to you guys, because it's a perfect palette और आपको ज़रूर से ही लेना चाहिए. I know this is little pricey, but obviously this is a long term investment. ये eyeshadow palette है, ये ख़त्म नहीं होने वाला, आपको सालों सालों तक रहेगा, तो आप इसे ज़रूर से बाय करें. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Ta-da.